What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use Canva in just 5 minutes. Canva is a free publishing software where you can make bunch of different things such as banners, flyers, YouTube icons, logos and a lot more. The great thing about Canva is it's completely free. You can get a lot in free version. To create YouTube thumbnails, flyers and logos, Canva is much more better than the Photoshop and other design softwares because it is very easy and simple to use and has a lot of ready-made templates. Now without further ado, let's dive into the video. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please do click on the subscribe and click on the bell icon. From now, we'll be uploading 2 to 3 videos a week. Don't miss them. Let's go. First thing you have to do is log on to canva.com and click on sign up to create your free account. Now, once you made your free account, you can see a lot of different templates which we can use for free. Now, the website interface will be something like this. Here you can see a lot of options like home, templates, discover, learn, pricing, and on the left you can see recommended for you, all your designs. Here you can see all your designs by clicking on this, and brand kit, create a team, all your folders and trash. So for this video I'm gonna showing you how to create a YouTube thumbnails. So I'm gonna type a YouTube thumbnail here. So here if you can see a lot of templates. So you can select any one of these and change the pictures and change the text. So I'll take the blank one. Let's do it from scratch. So on the left you can see a lot of tools like templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, videos, background and folders. Here you can search any pictures if you want. Like I'll search for cars. Click on it. So like this you'll be have access for a lot of templates. I'll select this one. Now you can double click on it and write your own text. So like this you can make your own thumbnails by using Canva. After completion of your design, click on this download over here and download it in your desired format. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share. And comment down below which video you want to see next.